Are you like me? Has it been forever since you shopped at Walmart? Hi friends, in today's video I am sharing with you all of my beautiful summer pieces that I picked up at Walmart, and it's not too late to find these items either in the store or online. I need to be honest with you, the last time I shopped at Walmart was to pick up a pair of maternity pants like years ago for my firstborn, and they were this floral print capri pants that I bought on our 1-year anniversary to Puerto Vallarta. And after one wash, you guys, just one wash, I felt like it shrunk 3 sizes down. I couldn't wear it. I was so disappointed, and since then I haven't shopped since. So when I went to Walmart recently and saw these cute pieces, these cute summer pieces on the racks, I'm like, you know what? I need to give this a try, because not only are they on trend, but the price point are just perfect. And that's what I'm doing today, is sharing with you the cute pieces that I found, and let's dive right in. This is the first item. It is from Free Assembly, and it's this beautiful tiered maxi dress. It's very long and it looks amazing on. It's in this really fresh, fun color called Key Lime. I saw the color, I loved it because it's bright and bold, but then also I was worried how it would look on my skin tone, but actually when I tried it on, it looked amazing. I love its V-neck neckline. That is so flattering, and the flutter sleeves are so cute, so it's nice and breezy for summertime. And then if you look at the waist, it has these 2 ties that you can cinch in to really accentuate your waist. Here is the back. And you can see it has this fun detail where it ties in the back as well, so the top doesn't slip off your shoulders. I am wearing a size small, and I just think this dress is a keeper. Another reason why it's a keeper is because it has these deep pockets, which is perfect. This dress is also from Free Assembly, and it is so beautiful. I love the classic white color. So great for spring. The eyelet print is so beautiful. The puff sleeves are so much fun, and there's a comfortable elastic right here that doesn't squeeze your arms. And then it has like a V-neck neckline and a drawstring tie at the waist. It is a short midi dress that hits you. Well, I guess it depends on how tall you are. I am 5'4", and here is the back. And this is such a beautiful dress for brunch, for vacation, for any short trips or long trips. And you can layer it by putting a cardigan over it for fall, and you just can't go wrong with this piece. This next item is from Free Assembly, and I'm actually wearing it. It's this black and white cardigan. It is so cute, you guys. When I saw on the hanger, I knew I had to have it. I love everything black and white, with the accent of the gold buttons. It's just a plus. And it's kind of fun that it's matching my earrings right now. I had no idea. I didn't plan it. It just all came together. The crochet texture is just so nice. It looks like it came out of a boutique. It is a crop length, and it will look great in everything. In the summer, you can wear this as is, or you can put a tank in it and open up the buttons so the tank peeks out. And then it also is a great piece that can easily transition into fall by layering it over your maxi dress, your t-shirt, or your tank. And this is definitely a staple. Definitely check it out, and it comes in other colors as well. The next item are these Free Assembly Bermuda shorts in white, and I love the length of Bermuda shorts. My mom used to sew my brother and I Bermuda shorts when we were little kids, so it's really cool to see the length and the style of these shorts coming back. Honestly, I was really surprised on how great this looked on, because on the hanger it kind of does look big, but it fits just perfectly. So just make sure to get the size that you need. And yeah, I think white is really crisp and fun. Just a really great color for summer, and you can pair it with so many different tops. The fabric is a little bit more heavyweight, so if you're looking for something easy breezy, I don't know if you'll necessarily get that, because the fabric is a lot more thicker in texture. And because of that, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it because I just want to be comfortable in the summer, but I do love the Bermuda length. I love the quality of the short, and yeah, so definitely check it out and let me know what you guys think. This sweater vest is from Scoop, and look how elegant it looks. It's just so chic, so simple, but obviously just screams like elegance. And again, these textured gold buttons are just so beautiful. It's like a matte gold, and they're quite substantial. They don't feel flimsy or cheap. They're very nice, and they just button really well. There's so many ways that you can wear this piece. You can wear it on its own. You can have a t-shirt underneath, which looks really cute, you guys. And then also you can put your blazer over it in the fall. So this is a transitional piece for fall, and I really love it. It has that preppy vibe, and it will also look cute with like a skirt underneath. So definitely check this out. I also saw on the website that they have this beautiful lavender color, so I just ordered it. I think it's coming in the mail either today or tomorrow, but this one is definitely a keeper. I just want to pause for a moment and thank you for watching this video. If you have found values thus far, please give it a like. I would love it so much, and even more if you would please subscribe. I make videos on fashion, beauty, and wellness. I'm having so much fun. I'm glad you're here with me. Let's keep moving on with the last remaining items from this haul. These denim cutoff shorts from Time and True are so cute. I was so excited to see these because I'm actually looking for a denim short that I can wear out running errands, going to the beach, and not feeling like my butt cheeks are hanging out. You can see it's cut a little bit shorter in the front, but then there's probably like 4 inches or so more length than the front and the back to give you that modest coverage, which I appreciate, because when I bend over to pick up stuff, I don't want to have to worry that something is hanging out. And so I love that feature. Good job on whoever styled this. You styled it for me. And the fabric is so soft, which again I appreciate as well. Now I tried this on, and I ordered it in a size 6. It's a little bit too snug. So last night, because I love this piece so much, I was so excited to see that there was a size 8, and I think it's coming in the mail tomorrow. And I hope it just fits just right because I'm in love with it. I think you're gonna love it too. So if you're looking for like that typical jean short that you can wear out and about during summer, this is it. I have this crazy obsession with tank tops. Like, I have so many, and when I walked past the rack of these tanks, I actually came back because I needed to see if this belonged in my closet, and it sure does. It feels so great. The fabric is really nice, and the color is really rich. It's called their chocolate mocha, I believe, or is it chocolate fudge? Yes. And I love the color brown. Here is what it looks like in the back. It is a ribbed fabric. It is fitted. I ordered a size medium, but I think I would feel more comfortable with it being a little bit more baggier in a large. I love the round neck, and then the sleeves, or the lack of sleeves. The cutout here is really comfortable on your arms. It comes in a whole bunch of colors, so if you're not a fan of brown, don't worry, there's so much you can choose from. And again, it is a little bit fitted, but it makes the perfect basic for your wardrobe. This dress is another winner. It's from Scoop, and it's a sleeveless maxi dress in this beautiful heather gray. It looks pretty basic, you guys, but when you put it on, it makes your silhouette look hot. Like, it's just so beautiful, so flattering. And I thought it was really cool that it had like this fabric piece at the end, because this is like a larger opening. Helps you feel a little bit more covered, which is nice because I don't like having like my bra like kind of peeping out with these larger arm openings. The fabric is so soft. It's very long, but it actually fits me great at 5'4". It has these beautiful like slits on the side, and you just feel so so good wearing it, you guys, like a knocked out. This is what it looks like. It fits amazing on. I ordered an extra small because I wanted like a more form-fitting feel, but I did order the next size up, a small. So I ordered a few pieces, and I'm not sure which size I'm going to keep. I wanted my options. This is definitely a cute dress to wear all summer long that will transition perfectly into fall with a denim jacket, with a blazer, with a cardigan, with tennis shoes or boots on underneath. You just can't go wrong. This dress is so much fun. It's from Madden, New York, and it has like a corset bodice on the top, spaghetti straps, and it has this bubble skirt, which is really, really cute. You can wear cowboy boots with this. You can wear heels or even sneakers. There's just so many ways to style it. It has a smocked back, makes the piece really comfortable. It offers more support on your body, just hugging you all in the right places. Definitely a statement piece, and I totally believe that fashion is fun. If you see something kind of out of like what you would normally wear, just go for it, you guys. This piece is one of them, and I'm really happy with it. So there you have it, my Walmart fashion haul, my first one ever. It has been forever since I shopped there, and I am pleasantly surprised. The style, the fit, the quality. So when I go to Walmart now, I'm excited to know that the pieces are well made, the styles are on trend, the fabric quality is excellent, and of course the price point is perfect. So if you had your eye on any of these pieces, I invite you to jump on it right now. Head online to walmart.com or go into the store. I've linked every item in the description box below. If you have any questions, please send them my way. I would love to hear your feedback. And are you like me? Has it been forever since you shopped at Walmart? And I'll tell you, you definitely want to give them a try. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe. I'm Debbie Savage, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I want slow love, uncomplicated touch, stable as we go, consistent as we grow. I